I'm Ivan, and in this video we will talk about how to describe our task information in your plan in Microsoft Project Pro. First of all, I want to tell you you can use the different ways to describe your task information. I recommend to open a grand chart view, okay, and in this table you can describe task information in these columns, in these cells. Okay, if you don't found the necessary columns, click the right button and select the Insert Column item. After that, enter the column name. It can be cost, for example. You can add or edit task information here, and I recommend to use the entry bar. To show it, click the File item in the top menu, click the Option item in the left menu, and click the Display item in the left menu in this window. In this place, as you can see, we have the entry bar box, and we can click and unclick this, and to save, click the OK button. In this bar, we can easily to add or edit task information. Also, you can use the task information window. You can double click the task name, and as you can see, we have opened the task information window. Or you can select the task, click the task item in the top menu, and click the information button here. Okay. In this window we have some tabs, we will use it, and the main information we can set up in this tab. First of all, we can edit the task name in the name field. We can set up the task duration in the duration field. We can set up the percent of complete our task in this field. We have to set priority. We can show and hide our task in activity inactivity box. Now our task activity. We can make it an activity if we click here, and we can select the schedule mode. Here, as you can see, we use the auto scheduling. We can set up the start and finished day of our task, and also we can display our task on the timeline, to set up high bar and roll up our task in the summer task of this block. Okay. As you can see, we have a lot of other task information. To save this task information, click the OK button. I recommend to use Notice to describe more task information, and how to do that I will show in the other part of this video after a little break. Let's take a little break. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my video. It's very pleasure. And invite you to my YouTube channel. Here you can find my videos on approaches and math or project management, and tutorial videos about Microsoft project management tools. Subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified of new videos. And don't forget about likes and donates. It will help me create new video. Also, I want to invite you on my website. Here you can find a lot of free materials on various topics. The materials has a video, task description, and chat where can you ask your questions. If you need more practice, you can take online courses. In online courses, you can step by step learn approaches and methods of project management using Microsoft tools. If you have unique questions or issues, write to our team and we will organize and conduct a consultation where we find solutions of all your questions. I hope it was helpful to you, and keep going. Okay, in this part we will talk about how to add more information about our task, and I have opened the Notice tab in the Task Information window. Here we have block where we can to add any information. For example, we can add the description our technology, we can add the description needed resources, and for example we can add the steps of our task. It can be step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay. You can select it, you can edit it, you can change font, you can change the text position, and you can add the bullet to our text. Also, you can add the information from other document. For example, you have some document and you want to add this information and in these notes. Click the Insert Object button, and as you can see, we have opened the Insert Object window. Here you can create a new document. Click the Create New button and select the app. After that, click the OK button, and Microsoft Project Pro will open the apps where you can add your information. Also, you can add information from the existing file. Click the Create from File button and click the Browse button. Okay, select the document and click the Insert button. You can click the link box, and after that we link our project with our document. Click the OK button, and as you can see, Microsoft Project Pro has added new information. It has given this information from our document and has added it in our notes. If your file has a lot of information and you don't want to add this information in these notes, you can add only the link, only icon from this document. Let's delete this information. Click the Insert icon, Insert Object button, and select the Create from File button. Okay, click the Browse. Select our file, click the Insert button, and after that we can click the link, and after that click the Display as Icon box. After that you can select other icon if you want, and click the OK button. We insert only icon with link to the other document. If we double click at this icon, we will show this document and we can work with it. If we click the OK button, we add this information to our task, and as you can see, if we show it, we can see what kind of nodes have this task. In the next part, we will talk about add advice, and I show you how to describe this advice information from our task. In this part, we will talk about how to enter the advice task information. The advice task information is an important part in our project because them help us to schedule our project. As you can see, I have opened the advice node in the task information window, and here we can set up the constraint, we can set up the task type and as advice task information. How to use this task information I show in the other my videos, but here I want to show where we can add it. First of all, here we can add the deadline date in the deadline field. Click here and enter some deadline date. Okay. In this block, you can set up the task constraint. First of all, you can select the constraint type. As default, Microsoft Project Pro using as soon as possible type. You can select a different type, it can be that, and after that you have to select or enter the constraint day. It can be something bad. Okay. In the next part, you can set up the task type. You can set up the task calendar. It can be something different. Okay. You can edit the task WBS code. Also, you can set up async value method. It can be percent complete or maybe the physical percent complete. Also, you can make this task to show like a milestone. Click this box and your task will be shown as milestone in the Gantt chart. In the right part. Okay, to save it, click the OK button. Microsoft Project Pro has more interesting tools to add or edit task information, and I show you these tools in the next part of this video. In this part, we will talk about how to use so interesting tools. It's a details form. You can use it to add or edit task information. Click the task item in the top menu and click the details button in the ribbon on the property block. Okay, as you can see, we have a new block in our view, and if we change the task in our project, as you can see, we will show the task information in this block. We can edit this information. For example, I want to edit the task duration. I select this task and I change the task duration in this duration field. After that, don't forget to click OK button to save this information. You can set up the this form. Click this form and select the task form format in the top menu. Okay. In this block you can select the type of the high part of our block. It can be more detailed part, or you can select only name block with only name from the other of our task. You can select the middle type. It's not only task name, but not more information as have the task detail form. Okay. Also, you can select the more task information if you click the details buttons. Here, for example, you can select noticed. As you can see, I will show in the details, our details from our task, and I can change it and save. Click OK and save it. Okay, you can select not only notice, you can select the cost, you can select the predecessor and accessors, and select it and set up it. You can select resource and predecessors, you can select resource and successors, you can change the information in this block. And for example, I want to change the work for this resource. Click OK, and to save, click OK button. As you can see, Microsoft Project Pro has changed task information. It's a lot of information, and you can see and change it. To hide this block, click the task item in the top menu and click details button in the right. Okay, as you can see, I have hidden it. It's so easy, and I hope you will use it. And if you have some questions, add it under this video. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and see you in another video.